The Rajput regiment has embodied courage and sacrifice for over 2 centuries.
I'll make a vlog. I'll make a vlog for Dad, and you all are going.
Welcome to Happiness with Hema. 5 Rajput 200 year of glory and emotional army reunion.
Like, share, subscribe. Happiness with Hema.
Happiness with Hema.
हेमा के लिए एक छोटा सी बात और है मैम।
बोलिए प्लीज।
खंजरी अपनी चार्ली कंपनी के लिए है साहब।
ओके।
निकाला म्यान से खंजर तो पीछे हट नहीं सकता, बहा दो खून की दरिया कोई रोक नहीं सकता।
अरे वाह, आपका तो आपके से ही एंट्री होगी मेरी वीडियो की, ठीक है?
ये कल आ रहा है चैनल, आज शाम को चैनल पे आएगा, देख लेना। एक साथ बोलो, 5 राजपूत की, 5 राजपूत की, 5 राजपूत की, बोल बजरंग बली की जय, हनुमान।
Dad, your friends, all I know, they all are legends. सभी का एक-एक स्टोरी पता चल रहा है.
That's overstating the case.
No, really, I mean it.
Welcome to Happiness with Hema. And today is a beautiful day. And guess what? We are going somewhere special, and my little princess is with me. So where are we heading, Utkarsha?
We're heading to the headquarters of Fai Rajput.
Yay! And something special is there. Stay tuned to know what it is. So we're just in front of this. We have to head this side. And we are very close, Utkarsha. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! And we'll be meeting Nanu Nani also, right?
Yeah.
I'll be meeting my dad and mom after very long, so I'm really excited to say hello to them. So it's getting close. If you ask my father, this isn't just a medal. It's a memory, a battle won, a moment of courage. But today, it's much more. Today, it's a ticket back in time to where it all began.
As my father returns from the wreath-lay ceremony, his eyes reflect the weight of sacrifice and honor. Today, we remember the brave souls who laid down their lives for our nation. Veterans and serving officers stand together in this and offer flowers, offering gratitude, which never forgetting, always honoring these souls. Jai Hind.
The excitement is in the air. The whole family is getting ready for Grand Bada Khana. Dad is fixing his uniform. Mom is adding the final touch to her sari. My brother and sister-in-law all are set, and I am making sure I look my best too. Laughter, last-minute touch-ups, and a rush to be on time. It's all part of the fun. Tonight isn't just a dinner. It's a celebration we are all been waiting for. Tonight is a grand celebration, 200 years of tradition, honor and unity. A night where officers, jawans and their families come together as one big family. More than 6,000 people have gathered, not just to dine but to celebrate the legacy, the camaraderie and sacrifices that bind them. It's more than just an event. It's a history in the making. So we arrived at Bada Khana and the sight is absolutely breathtaking. The entire place is glowing with lights, laughter and celebration. It feels like a grandest event in the city. Elegant decor, vibrant energy and thousands of people coming together to make this historic moment. The air is filled with joy, music and the spirit of unity. Tonight is truly unforgettable. Every corner of this evening is filled with nostalgic and warmth. My daddy is reconnecting with old friends, reliving memories from 30, 40 and even 15 years ago. I'm meeting uncles and aunties who have seen me growing up, sharing stories of the past and laughter and emotions. It's not just celebration, it's a beautiful reunion, a journey back in time, a night we will cherish forever. The excitement was real. Families of the 5 Rajput warriors, those still serving and those who once did, were eagerly waiting for the grand curtain raiser. Everyone wanted to see how the unit had journeyed through 2 glorious centuries, carrying stories of pride and legacy.
5 राजपूत के 200 साल इतिहास पर आधारित एक वृत्त चित्र, एक शॉर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्री को रिलीज करें।
The Rajput regiment has embodied courage and sacrifice for over 2 centuries. Among its distinguished battalions, the 5th has forged a legacy of unwavering commitment. From India's heartland to global battlefields, our story is one of enduring valor. Our story begins in Kanpur in May 1825. A time of East India Company expansion, the 2nd Extra Regiment of Bengal Native Infantry was raised. Redesignated as the 17th Bengal Native Infantry in 1828, under Major Simpson, its ranks reflected India's diverse strength in Hindustani Muslims, Brahmins and Rajputs. The battalion's journey is a rich tapestry of courage spanning continents. From Burma's jungles to Persia's deserts, they served with distinction. 1857, stationed in China, their discipline unwavering. Early gallantry shown in Bhutan with Havildar Uat Bakht Khan, Sipai Kalka Ram and Sipai Mathura Ram receiving the Order of Merit. In Burma, Lieutenant W.K. Downs and others displayed exceptional bravery. Jamadar Ramadhar Avasti stand at line dead in Burma, holding off insurgents for 24 hours, exemplified their resolve. Many unnamed warriors fell in these campaigns, their sacrifices enduring. World War I thrust them into the brutal trenches of the Western Front and the deserts of Persia. At Nova Chefel and Ypres in France, they faced relentless attacks. Their defense of the French consulate in Persia earned international recognition with the Medal d'Honneur. Lieutenant E.C. Staples earned a military cross and Sepoy Rajkishore Singh the Indian Order of Merit. In Afghanistan, they fought fiercely, their sacrifices memorialized in Basra, Iraq. In World War II, diverted to Hong Kong, they defended the gin drinkers' line against an overwhelming opposition. They covered their light withdrawal with an unwavering tenacity. Captain M.A. Ansari's refusal to yield under torture earned him the posthumous George Cross that stands a testimony to their indomitable spirit. Subedar Mir Khan also displayed outstanding courage, earning a posthumous military cross and his name being mentioned in Azad Hind Fauj. Despite heavy losses and the harsh conditions of prisoner of war camps, their spirit remained undeterred, their resolve unshakable. 15 years after India's independence, the 5th Battalion was reborn on January 25, 1962 at Fatehgarh under Lieutenant Colonel Brijpal Singh. A solemn ceremony marked the return of the battalion's colors and cherished silver artifacts from Hong Kong, symbols of their enduring history. Immediately, the battalion deployed to the Eastern Theatre, serving in Bengal and Sikkim. At Lungtu Heights, they established defenses at 13,500 feet, facing immense challenges. As tensions rose in 1965, the battalion moved to the East Pakistan border, safeguarding the vital Bagdogra airfield during the Indo-Pak conflict. Then came the year 1966, when the Honorable President of India, Sri Radhakrishnan, presented the battalion with new colors. The unit then moved to Gwalior, participating in Exercise Betava, a major post-independence military exercise. Later, they were deployed in Sundarbani. The lead-up to the 1971 Indo-Pak War was a period of intense preparation for the battalion. In Sundarbani, the battalion established defenses and launched successful counter-attacks. dislodging Pakistani forces. In the late 1980s, the battalion was deployed in Sri Lanka as part of the IPKF during Operation Pavan, where they fought in fierce counterinsurgency operations against LTTE militants. Haldar Nepal Singh made the supreme sacrifice, earning a posthumous Veer Chakra. Major Ranjit Mothana and other soldiers also gave their life during an ambush, exemplifying the age-old traditions of selfless sacrifices. The battalion cleared vital road and rail links, continuing to combat militants. They suffered losses but inflicted significant casualties on the enemy. Major B.P.K. Pillai was awarded Sena Medal for his indomitable courage in the face of enemy. Their service earned them gallantry awards including a Yuddha Seva Medal, Sena Medal and Veer Chakra. During Operation Rakshak, the battalion played a crucial role along the line of control. In Gulmarg, they excelled in counter-terrorism, neutralizing terrorists without casualties. Second Lieutenant Rajesh Raman and Sepoy Shiv Charan were awarded the Sena medals for their gallantry. In 1999, during Operation Vijay, they dominated the western flanks of Chicken's Neck, conducting fire assaults and counterinsurgency operations. In 2006, battalion was deployed in icy peaks of Siachen Glacier, completing a casualty-free tenure, earning the moniker the Unscathed. In Kupwara, Captain Ashish Chikhara and Naib Subedar Babli Singh were awarded the Sena medals. Colonel Pratyush Kumar received the Yuddha Seva Medal. The battalion also received a number of gallantry awards for successful anti-terror operations in Punch. Lieutenant Colonel Prasoon Singh, Major L.M. Joshi, Major Abhishek Katoch, Major Harjeet Singh and Naik Khemchand were awarded with Sena medals for their gallantry. The battalion also made invaluable contribution in social welfare activities, which was acknowledged and appreciated by one and all. Men of 5 Rajput have always earned gallantry awards in Rashtriya Rifles. Sepoy Pravesh Kumar was awarded with Sena Medal for his bravery, and so was Sepoy Raj Singh for his supreme sacrifice. Major Jagtar Johal was awarded Sena Medal twice for his gallant leadership while serving with 44 Rashtriya Rifles. The battalion has also had the honor of presenting Guard of Honor to the Honorable Presidents of India in succession, that is, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in Lucknow, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee in Shimla, and Sri Ramnath Kovind in Jaipur. In the year 2018, the unit also represented the nation in Shanghai Cooperation Organization Peace Mission in Shibarkul, Russia, where they proudly displayed ethos of Indian Army. Its operational excellence stems from rigorous training across diverse peace stations, including Palampur, Sundarbani, Banbasa, Kapurthala, Shahjahanpur, Dhana, Lucknow, Kota, Shimla, and Sri Ganganagar. Stationed in Delhi in the last 2 years, the battalion has reaffirmed its prowess by reclaiming the Ghatak Trophy. The battalion has proudly executed security and ceremonial duties during various national events to include Republic Day and Beating the Retreat Ceremony 2025, leading up to the battalion's biggest event, the mega celebration of 200 glorious years of its raising. With 4 continuous unit citations in the last decades, the battalion has emerged into a cohesive and formidable force, now known as Prachand Panch. The 5th Battalion Rajput Regiment continues to embody valor and victory in the true traditions of Sarvatra Vijay. The legacy is a testament to the courage and resilience of its soldiers. Jai Hind!
Big gathering, guys. So many people, I think more than 5,000, 6,000 people around here.
As the music begins and the dance floor lights up, I turn to see my parents quietly soaking in the moment, eyes gleaming with pride. hearts full of memories. They are not just watching a celebration, they are watching a legacy they helped build unfold in front of their eyes. When over 6,000 hearts beat with one emotion, pride, joy, and pure nostalgia, you don't just attend a dinner, you become a part of history. The lights were up, spirits were high, and the air was filled with laughter, hugs, and happy chaos. This wasn't just a gathering, this was a celebration of legacy, love, and lifelong bonds. Day 2 kicked off with energy and excitement at the iconic Pagal Gymkhana. From vibrant shopping stalls to lip-smacking food counters and fun-filled activities. This was nostalgia, laughter, and celebration all rolled into one.
I also got a chance to chat with some incredible war veterans and my dad's dearest comrades from 5 Rajput, each one with a story that made history come alive. Hi uncle, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Thanks, Colonel Soumitra Ray. I have commanded this battalion, that's 5 Rajput, which is now known as Prachanda Panch, from 1982 to 1985.
What comes in your mind when you first hear 5 Rajput?
Well, 5 Rajput is something, it was earlier known as 5th the finest. It was one of the finest battalion of the Rajput regiment.
Okay.
So when I got my posting, I was an instructor in the IMA Dehradun that time.
Okay.
So I was posted in 5 Rajput, which was at that time at Mau Maram. One portion was in Nagaland, another portion was in Manipur.
Okay.
So I was slightly apprehensive because it was not my original battalion.
Mm-hmm.
But then when people told me it is 5th the finest, so I thought maybe it will be an interesting place to go. So I was posted there and I felt very happy after that. Having the set of officers, amazing set of officers and men. So that is how I thought that I carried on till up to 1985 in this battalion, and it's a very, very memorable tenure of my life.
Wow. So what one word comes in your mind when you think of 5 Rajput?
Well, I think it is the best battalion of the Indian Army, and it should continue to remain as a best battalion.
It's completing 200 years.
Yes, and it is a very, very sustainable, developed battalion. All these years who had been to this unit, they added something. And it's a very well sustainable, developed battalion in all respects, whether training, administration, or management, or welfare.
You know that everybody have a nickname.
Yes.
What was my dad's nickname?
Oh, his name was Pat.
That.
And
And-
let me tell you, he was a company commander of mine. He was a ground soldier. Let me give you an example. In the year 1971, in 71 war, he fought with the Pakistan Army in area Sundarbani and Chamjoria and did very well. Thereafter, when he was my company commander way back in 82, we had a very big training exercise. You know, it was a command level training exercise which was attended by Chief of the Army Staff and 600 officers. And Pat was a company commander and the armor regiment attacked us. I told Pat, go and counter-attack. And he charged the tanks. He climbed a tank and over there he pretended that he's lobbing a grenade there. And he got a lot of, applause for that. That is, this is the type of officer we want in the army. We don't want paper tigers, we want tigers on
Real
ground.
tigers.
So that was Pat.
Okay.
Similarly, when Operation Blue Star started, Vindranwala's action and all, Pat was again a company commander. And we went to Punjab and we were, given task to bring back law and order, especially in the area of Rode village, which was Vrindanwala's village. The police were very scared to enter that village. They would never enter it. And Pat with his company, I said, Pat, Rode. So we went and, encircled the village and we went inside and thereafter there was no problem. He is a ground soldier.
Such interesting stories.
Yes.
I was not aware of that.
Yes, he will never tell you because he's a very reserved kind of person.
He's a very humble person.
Yes, very humble.
So,
and
what was
very
your
reserved.
nickname, uncle, in Italian?
Well, somebody called me Bob, somebody called me Ray, somebody called me something Ganga, somebody something, I don't know what was my
Ray,
nickname.
very millennial type of, kind of a very latest, I think it's a very trendy names.
Later on when I was leaving that battalion, I told these in battalion Sainik Sambalwan, this battalion is like Ganga Maiya.
Acha.
Ganga Maiya keeps flowing. And we are all like kure makures who comes to the battalion and goes away. Like Ganga ke andar lot of kure makure comes and goes away. But Ganga Maiya keeps flowing and
Purifying the things,
Purifying. So a battalion is like that.
Wow, so
that
beautifully
is why
expressed.
they call me, now the people call me Ganga Sahib aa gaye.
Oh, Ganga Sahib. Arre wow. That's very interesting. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you. Thanks.
Ganga Sahib.
Yes.
That's very good. Are you enjoying? Okay. Uncle.
Wonderful. I'm enjoying. Firstly, I'm enjoying your company. I saw you, little girl.
Yeah.
Now I can see you have grown up to a beautiful lady.
Yeah,
and
thank you so
continue
much.
to remain as a beautiful lady.
Convey my hello to Sheru. Yeah.
Yes. Sheru is in Mumbai. If you go to any time to Mumbai, he stays in Mud Island and
Okay.
he is involved in Bollywood.
Oh.
He writes script and he directed 5 movies.
Okay.
Right.
Tell him give me a chance.
Yes.
Tell him to come to Singapore to
Yes.
explore
Yes.
Singapore also
Yes.
because I'm there. Thank you, uncle.
Thank you.
Lovely
Thank you
talking
very
to you.
much.
And uncle,
Very-
I've seen him. I think decades, 2-3
Yes.
decades back.
Yes.
He looks
Sometime
same,
in 80s.
handsome
No,
and same. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Meet Utkarsha. This 13-year-old powerhouse was my little assistant on this grand occasion.
So my sister's daughter. She's my assistant today.
Capturing moments, helping behind the scene, and making this vlog even more special. From taking care of her grandparents to having fun with friends, she was everywhere.
Guys, this is amazing thing is happening. This is a Pagal Gymkhana, second day, and very, very vibrant, very, very energetic. Lot of stalls from all over the states are there, and people in their ethnic dress. There's something for everyone. So this is called Pagal Gymkhana, which is a very go-to kind of activity which everybody look forward to participate in.
Pagal Gymkhana was buzzing with life, exciting competitions, joyful activities for everyone, kids, adults, men and women alike. Fun and fancy stalls were super hit.
दर्शकों से निवेदन है कि खेल प्रांगण को खाली रखें और
Big hi.
आप लोग
Smile.
अपने सुई धागा लेकर के पहले
All the families are sitting here.
की सदस्य
All the wives are sitting here.
देगा वही
Hello, Auntie.
And now, time to hear from the real heroes. My dad's friends, veterans with stories that echoes through time.
Introduction, please. First of all, your introduction.
कर्नल अरुण सरकार,
नरेंद्र यादव,
कर्नल आर.एस. दहिया रिटायर्ड.
और हमारे लिए धैया अंकल जी. Okay.
Well, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Satyendra Singh. I was with the Paltan in Kargil and Sechin.
I am General Sudhir Jakhar from 5th Battalion, the Rajput Regiment. Yeah. And we are celebrating the 200th year bicentenary celebration.
Yes, that's a very good introduction. I loved it.
I'm Colonel Rawat. I'm presently posted in Mao, and I was CO before this.
Colonel Rawat, my humble thanks and for your kindness. You have really taken care of my dad when he was not
As
here.
part of family, we have to.
Wow. Yes, thank you so much. When you hear 5 Rajput, what is that one word comes in your mind? One word strikes your mind. Think about 5 Rajput. I say 5 Rajput. What one word comes in your head?
The topmost Paltan of Indian Army.
Five Rajput, when we were in Palampur, after field area, we have changed the name. It was known as Fighting Fifth. We made 50 finest. Right? Now they have changed it after 20 years. At the percent part. I said no, it doesn't announce, sound very good. Percent is very violent.
Yeah, Prachand.
Percent भूकंप, सुनामी आ गई है. सुनामी के बाद सब डिस्ट्रक्शन है. I said ये it doesn't sound very fine.
Okay.
But then war में it is okay. Field area.
So for you, what one word comes?
Finest is the best in such area.
Oh, okay.
It comes
One word.
that I am a part of the 5th Battalion, the Rajput Regiment, the one of the finest battalion in the Indian Army.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Prachand.
Prachand, okay. Very nice.
Devotion.
Devotion, wow. Thanks for mind.
Team spirit.
Wow.
You know, as ma'am has what comes to your mind first. So, ghar, mera ghar. That's the first thought that comes to your mind when you ask anybody from us. What is ghar? Family.
Family, wow.
That's family. Ghar
My
hai,
dad
family.
gave the same answer. Yeah.
Yes, and
Family.
most of them will give you the same answer.
During your service, uncle, you might have posted so many places, right?
Yes.
So which one place you would like to post again? Go and have a posting again. Your best place where you got posted?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay. What was the best part about it?
Best part was that we were in action most of the time.
Lete, yeah? That Lete things was...
LTT.
LTT, yeah.
We were
Okay.
fighting all the time, operating all the time. That was good. Best place.
Anyone?
There are 2 places for us. One is field area, other one is the police area.
Okay.
So field area was Renok, next to Kalimpong,
Okay.
Sikkim. That was the best area. Peace station, of course, Palampuri was the best.
Palampur,
Because I was
yeah.
commanding.
Even I was there. What is your nickname in your battalion? Your nickname, what you were famously known as in your battalion. What was your nickname in your battalion?
Mine, I will not know, but only thing is, they used to call me a coconut, hard from outside, soft from inside.
Oh, so sweet. And what was dad's pet name?
He was Pats.
Dad's.
Oh, I have many. Like people call me Barood here. So the Josh type guy. That time Colonel Atul, he gave me this name. Subsequently, he commanded the unit. It was in Glacier, Sechin, Kargil. So he gave me the nickname Barood.
Barood.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Barood.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is my pet name?
In your regiment.
I'm not very sure of that.
You have to ask
It
your
was few
juniors.
months back. It was CO. Now I don't know.
Or maybe it's a hidden.
It's generally Rawat only. That's what they call me.
Okay.
Other than that.
Famously.
Harry.
Harry or Hari?
Harry.
Harry. Harry Potter one. Not Hari Ram wala.
No.
Harry Potter. Harry. Mr. Harry with
Harry.
me. What was dad's nickname?
Pat बोलते थे, Pat आ गया.
हाँ जी.
In my battalion, Bhaiya.
Bhaiya.
Yeah.
And what was my dad's nickname?
Pat.
Any other hidden?
I cannot.
Harry.
Harry. Two people had a Harry name. What was the nickname of Colonel Pathania?
Pat sir.
Pats. Ah, yeah. That name in your battalion.
You won't believe it. G-O-R-A.
G-O-R-A. Gora. What was Dad's? Are you aware?
Yes, Pat.
Pats. Who was the naughty one in your batch? Naughtiest and notorious one. The naughtiest, notorious one in your batch.
In my batch.
Yeah.
It is a Pat, your dad.
Ooh! He's still a naughty one. But because he's a very childlike and he's got lovely energy and positivity around, he just fill us with that.
Yeah.
Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Anything you want to share about Pats?
He was my immediate senior who used to be very harsh to us, the juniors.
Ooh.
He never spared us.
That I agree. I'm in your team. I'm in your team.
Late. Secondly, when we were in Sundarbani, whenever we used to go in the morning for PT, we used to search our socks.
Yeah.
And we could not find our socks in the morning. Then what we could make out that he has kept our socks under his pillow. Understood? Got it?
He was a naughty one.
He was a naughty one. Secondly, whenever we wanted to teach your dad, we just used to steal his love letters sent by your mom.
He was okay, so sweet of you. Many have said that Daddy was the naughtiest.
Hardly.
Yeah, he was.
Daya was naughty.
Okay. Daya. You're like he's saying Daya was, and Daya uncle said he was the most naughty. He used to hide the socks.
Is it?
I don't know. He said that the story. Maybe it's a personal story. Yeah. Daya uncle ji. Daya uncle, you're also among the list of the naughty one. Okay. Any naughty thing which you have done during your command, uncle?
Oh, he is most pious and most simple and most
cute.
No,
he's my cutie daddy.
Yes, and he does his duty very sincerely.
Too sincerely, yeah?
Yeah,
too.
very sincere.
Okay.
Oh, I remember when we used to be camping in Punjab area for exercises.
Okay.
So at that time we used to camp under mango trees, shade of mango trees.
Okay.
And then ऊपर से जब वो टपकता था हम भी, so he used to be one who used to get it the first.
Okay, one army jugaad which you swear by. आर्मी जुगाड़ अरे हाउ कम मतलब आर्मी में बहुत जुगाड़ होते हैं लाइक यू नो बेस्ट आर्मी जुगाड़ यू कैन थिंक ऑफ
When we hijacked a civil vehicle to attack militants.
wow
Not hired actually, forced it to go to a place where we wanted.
okay
It was a wonderful jugaad.
wow I
The
will say
driver
this is
wasn't keen to go, he moved.
I can feature this right this is very nice
He moved. And
best
it's a fact.
jugaad wow,
And it's a
wow.
fact. So, and the men who were there with me that day are also around.
Okay, very nice. Very impressed with you guys. Uncle, one quality you feel every soldier must have.
Loyalty.
Loyalty with the unit or loyalty with the country?
Loyalty with the unit and the country.
But what comes first?
See, loyalty first to the country, then the regiment, then the unit.
I feel loyalty to yourself because the person who's...
That of course I had already mentioned.
A person who's like very loyal to her or himself, he will be byproduct loyal to everything, right?
So when you asked me for quality, I told you loyalty in the beginning.
That's a very beautiful quality. One thing you miss most in army life, from your army life?
You miss the comradeship.
Okay. You miss the?
Comradeship.
Comradeship.
Camaraderie. En français, nous disons camaraderie.
Aha, okay. What was that one rule everybody secretly broke in army? You also.
One rule.
They secretly broke and you also included. What is that one rule?
I used to carry a bottle in my pack.
And you think everybody block? He's a teetotaler.
No, we used to have it in steel cup.
I know him as a teetotaler.
नायक अमोद सिंह,
थोड़ा इधर आ जाइए सामने इसके ना। हाँ,
नायक अमोद सिंह, सुबेदार राजेश सिंह, सुबेदार अरविंद कुमार सिंह।
कौन सा चैनल में आएगा?
मेरा चैनल है हैप्पीनेस विद हेमा, उसमें मैं ये कंपाइल करके बनाऊंगी। कुछ लोगों का इंटरव्यू वगैरह लिया है। सो आप लोग सब चार्ली कंपनी में थे। कुछ खास बात, कोई एक किस्सा, कोई एक ऐसी
किस्सा अगर
छोटा सा
अगर कुछ मुंह से कहता हूँ तो मजाउल फत के जाता है, अगर कुछ मुंह से कहता हूँ मजाउल फत के जाता है, अगर खामोश रहता हूँ तो कलेजा मुँह को आता है।
वाह 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 वाह, क्लैप प्लीज। वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। तो हम लोगों को कैसे मिल पाएंगे, देख पाएंगे?
मैं इसको कंपाइल करूंगी, आप लोग सब इसी में देख पाएंगे, हैप्पीनेस विद हेमा, और आप भी जरूर होंगे उसमें।
लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, हैप्पीनेस विद हेमा। हेमा के लिए एक छोटा सी बात और है मैम।
बोलिए प्लीज।
निकाला म्यान से खंजर, ये अपनी चार्ली कंपनी के लिए है साहब।
ओके।
निकाला म्यान से खंजर तो पीछे हट नहीं सकता, बहा दो खून की दरिया कोई रोक नहीं सकता।
अरे वाह, आपका तो आपके से ही एंट्री होगी मेरी वीडियो की, ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच। ओके।
मेरा नाम नायक विमल सिंह है और मेरी 12 साल सर्विस हो गई है। मैं 5 राजपूत में सर्विंग हूँ अभी।
विमल राय जी, 5 राजपूत रेजिमेंट आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है?
5 राजपूत मेरा परिवार है।
जब आपने पहली बार यूनिफॉर्म पहनी थी तो आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ था?
बहुत ही गर्व महसूस हुआ, बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ था।
आपके अनुसार एक सच्चे राजपूत जवान में कौन कौन से गुण होना, और वो एक गुण कौन सा है?
जिम्मेदार होना।
इस समारोह के दौरान आप हमारे वरिष्ठ सैनिकों और उनके परिवारों की सेवा करने का अनुभव कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा अनुभव और बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ। हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतने पुराने सब लोग आएंगे, जो है मुलाकात होगी सबसे। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ सबसे मिलके। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद मैम। मेरा नाम लेस नायक कुंदन सिंह है। मेरी यूनिट 5 राजपूत है। मैं गंगानगर में पोस्टिंग आया था और मेरी सर्विस 7 साल हो गई है।
तो 5 राजपूत रेजिमेंट आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है?
5 राजपूत मेरे लिए ये मेरा एक परिवार है।
सो आप 5 राजपूत में आपका सबसे गर्व भरा पल कौन सा रहा?
5 राजपूत ज्वाइन किया था मैंने, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा सब लोगों से मिलके। मेरी यूनिट बहुत अच्छी यूनिट है और जिसे गंगा मैया के नाम से भी पहचाना जाता है।
सो आपके अनुसार एक सच्चा राजपूत जवान में कौन सा अहम गुण होना चाहिए?
सच्चा राजपूत सैनिक वह होता है जिसे जो भी टास्क मिलता है उसको अच्छी तरह के सही सलामत उस टास्क को पूरा करना, अच्छी सेफ्टी के साथ में।
तो इस समारोह के दौरान हमारे वरिष्ठ सैनिकों और उनके परिवारों की सेवा करने का अनुभव आपका कैसा रहा?
हमें बहुत अच्छा रहा और बहुत प्राउड फील हुआ। सब आए, बड़े बुजुर्ग और हमारे बड़े बड़े साहब लोग कई पुराने थे जो सबसे मिले। बड़ा अच्छा लगा, एक ऐसा लगा जैसे घर में शादी जैसा माहौल है। बहुत अच्छा अनुभव भी मिला इनसे। और हमारे सर्विस के दौरान सबसे अच्छा प्रोग्राम देखा हमने, बहुत अच्छा रहा। जय हिंद।
थैंक यू सो मच अंकल, हैव अ गुड डे। थैंक यू अंकल, थैंक यू फॉर योर lovely insights and lovely uncle, thank you so much for this interaction. Uncle, thank you so much.
Bada Gymkhana was buzzing with energy. Soldiers showing their playful side in friendly games, laughter echoing with every hit and cheer. And on the other side, aunties and uncles sat together like old times, reliving stories, sharing memories, and soaking in the warmth of this unforgettable reunion.
Flying kiss भी दे सकती है ladies.
Well, here every laugh echoed the past, and every glance was a doorway to golden memories.
Like, subscribe and share Happiness with Hema.
Thank you so much.
Like, subscribe and share Happiness with Hema. Thank you.
तशरीफ ला चुके हैं।
हाँ, नागालैंड में थी।
और उसके बाद आर्मी के साथ सभी के सामने स्माइल किए जाएंगे।
Well, my dad and mom, they were not feeling like to come out from Pagal Gymkhana, but they had to get ready for the next meeting. Coming out from Pagal Gymkhana with pride, satisfaction, smile, and never-ending bonds. Well, it's a day 3 and we all were getting ready for the grand bicentenary dinner, an evening that felt nothing less than a royal wedding. As we stepped into a beautiful lit venue, it was pure magic.
The venue is really grand and beautiful. And look at my beautiful Bhavna. She's looking so gorgeous. Like, I can't take my eyes off from her. Princess looking beautiful in front of unicorn. Okay, let's go.
Mukesh is a very, very creative person.
Okay.
You must read him.
Yeah?
And hear him.
You were not there in the Pagal Gymkhana, right? Pagal Gymkhana? So I want to capture your conversation. Then you let me know when you're I know, uncle, dad is a big fan and we keep talking about like
Officers, families, old friends, new faces, everyone glowing with joy, eyes lighting up as memories came flooding back.
1 2 1 2 mic check, mic check. Beautiful mahal. I love the ambience and all the beautiful ladies out here. How are you feeling, auntie?
Feeling very overwhelmed, really enjoying the vacation.
How are you feeling, auntie?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बेटे आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
कैसा लग रहा है
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सब अच्छा गुड
मम्मा कैसा लग रहा है
अच्छा लग रहा है
कैसा लग रहा है अंकल
On top of the world.
Overwhelmed, yeah. I'll catch you in the interview, okay? आंटी कैसा लग रहा है आज का माहौल कैसा लग रहा है
अच्छा लग रहा है
बस अच्छा
बहुत अच्छा
कैसा लग रहा है भैया आंटी
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत अच्छा
बहुत बढ़िया और आप बहुत खूबसूरत भी लग रहे हैं So you're looking so pretty, Tina. How's the feel?
Lovely.
अभी मैं मिलाता हूँ तेरे को
And look at the beautiful vibes. Traditional Deepti.
How are you, बेटा?
Very right. And look at the beautiful vibes out there. How are you feeling today?
On top of the world, baby.
Top of the world. You're looking so lovely.
बोल रही थी आर्मी ब्रैड्स
Army
सारे
brats.
इकट्ठे हुए हुए
Oh.
भैया का लड़का
I wish शेरू भी होता अंकल है ना बचपन की यादें but tell you are coming to Singapore to meet me okay I'm in Singapore from last 15 years stuck there yeah especially for this I came here want to cover my dad okay see you Naidu uncle का है Okay, uncle. First, introduce yourself.
I'm Milan Naidu, Kamro Gopal, and
And one of the favorite person of my dad.
we are good friends and old colleagues. So
And uncle, I remember you calling my dad very cute name. What was that?
we call him young man.
Young man, and I like that. You know, I still call my dad young man. I said, your friend have given you that name.
Not young man, it is young man. J-U-N-G.
J-U-N-G, young man. What does that mean?
That means a young fighter.
Huh?
Young and fighter. Young, both put together.
Okay. Much more deeper. Okay, uncle.
Young is the Hindi ka.
Jungs. Uncle, how does it feel like to be part of 200 years of legacy of 5 Rajput?
It is a great feeling, especially when you realize what kind of responsibility one had to sort of carry forward the good name of the battalion. Now, of course, it is already 200, so the baton has been passed on to the youngsters,
Yes.
and I think they are doing a marvelous job.
Wow.
And they will certainly carry out their responsibility in a manner that will make all of us proud.
Yes, and one word comes to your mind when you hear 5 Rajput.
It is our home. So what word comes is home. That is it.
So you know what dad answer was? Family. You know, and it's like home is like beautiful. I think that's why you both resonate so much. Who was the most naughtiest person in your battalion?
There were quite a few. Every generation has some of them who are rascals. That was very sincere. Still sincere. No, not.
But I feel he's naughty and I like naughty people. My dad is naughty and I like naughty people. Okay. What was your nickname?
I don't know. You ask your dad.
Dad, what was uncle's nickname?
Chinka. For me, my boss. He was my boss.
No, but among boss.
No, we are.
So your nickname was Boss. And what was his nickname? Daddy's nickname?
Young man.
Young man by you, but others.
Everyone used to call him.
But others used to call him with one nickname. What was that?
No, that was normally a short form, so to say.
Okay, Lassi. My dad going Lassi way. One last question, Uncle. One quality you think that every soldier should have? Sincerity. Nice. It was lovely encounter, Uncle. All the best. Enjoy your meet, and it is always lovely to be meeting you. And we know you through Dad, and you are a lovely person. Wonderful human being. Thank you so much. So with me is Major Rai. He's really looked after me, my family so well. So Major Rai, I would like to ask you, when I say 5 Rajput, what comes in your head? One word comes in your mind.
So family.
Family. My
First
dad
and
also.
foremost, family. So I consider this is the first word comes to me as a family. The way you have come today on our single invitation, keeping our relation and bonhomie maintained. So we are really proud. This is a family.
I'm honored to be be here with my dad, and everything was wonderful. And when I asked my dad also, when I say 5 Rajput, what comes in your head? His word was also same. He said family.
Yeah, of course. It is family. We are born by the love. We are born by the sacrifice of this Paltan, and you must have gone through all this history. And then some,
I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps when I saw the
of
history
course.
and all.
It is, and really we feel proud. Might be you are not, sir, will not be a part of this unit in future, but we always welcome you. That's again as a family, and 5 Rajput is everywhere, and it may be for the nation, or it may be as a maintaining our relation as a friend or family. We are always first.
Sure, and as you know that I have come all the way from Singapore. You are also welcome anytime to Singapore.
Of course. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much.
I think we missed this child
So,
has
कैसा
been
लग रहा है?
dancing on this song,
How are your feelings?
and I'm sure she has a very bright future, and so is our country.
बिल्कुल सुपर है, बहुत ही बढ़िया,
और आप लोग
बहुत
लग भी बहुत सुपर से
Let's
ऊपर
have
रहे
this
हैं।
child
बहुत
on
अच्छे लग
screen.
रहे हैं। Blogger also, I'm a YouTuber also, I'm an influencer also, so I'm like doing my job also, having fun and doing my job, yeah. So ये reunion हो रही है because हम लोग जब बहुत छोटे-छोटे से, we were like small kids. That time we used to like play together and all. And now cut to after 30 years, I think we are meeting here.
Time may have flown, but friendships like these never age. Standing shoulder to shoulder with friends from 30 years ago, we clicked pictures, shared hearty laughs, and cherished stories that felt like they have just happened yesterday. Moments like these are truly timeless.
So how does it feel to be like meeting your friends after 30 years?
Ma'am, it feels great.
Ma'am,
It's like
Hema, you know, I'm
Hema, it feels great.
Hema
It's like homecoming.
Yeah.
And it's like family within a family.
Absolutely.
So it's very warm feeling that I can't even express what it feels
Same
like.
here, same here.
You know, you guys spoiled us and we spoiled him. So the chain continues.
Yes, good.
And I hope it does in future as well.
That's my beautiful family.
And serving.
How are you feeling, Bhavna?
Elated, it's really nice.
Yeah, like 200 years of celebration and we are part of it, you know, nothing like it. So Riddhi, how you are feeling?
It's really heartwarming to see that what your father has gone through and what kind of, you know,
meeting with
family beyond family was there. So it's really heartwarming and
So you know what, Riddhi, when I asked Dad, when I say 5 Rajput, what one word comes to your mind? He said family.
Exactly. I can feel the warmth.
And Uncle Naidu, you know what he said?
Home actually. You can feel home and family.
Yes.
It's really privileged kind of a feeling.
Absolutely. So meeting with all those, you know, friends, all those uncles and aunties, those who have seen us very little. It's so nice to see, right? So guys, that's like celebration of 200 years. 5 Rajputs, 200 year completion celebration. And I'm so privileged and so honored to be here with my mom and dad. So I hope you like it.
Guys, like, subscribe and follow Happiness with Hema
Thank you, Bhavna.
for more exciting things.
Like, subscribe and share Happiness with Hema. First watch Happiness with Hema because that is where the maximum happiness you can find.
Okay. Congratulations to everyone. Dad, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yes. So here's the legendary trophy. Beautiful. 200 years. So
200 years of excellence. Yeah, we still to go. We contributed all the veterans for the trophy.
yeah. Can we cheers? Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hooray! Naidu uncle, hip hip hooray.
5 की स्थापना के 200 सालों के इस यादगार मौके को और यादगार बनाते हुए कुछ ही पलों में अब केक कटिंग के लिए मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कर्नल J.S. Kang, the senior most member of 5 Rajput family, and Mrs. Tushti Raja Singh.
General Millet Naidu is known as Dhruv Tara of 5 Rajput, and Dhruv Tara is the one which everybody follows. And I call him Pradarshak of 5 Rajput. And fantastic officer and an officer and a gentleman. You will never find a gentleman like General Millet Naidu.
May I draw your attention to
Totally
cake
agree,
cutting?
uncle. Yay!
This was serving in the unit in 1962 when
So now Naidu uncle, dad, they are heading for a cake cutting. And celebration. beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mahal. I'm loving it.
And right in front of that legendary trophy, we pause time for a moment, clicking a picture not just as a family, but as a part of history. And now at dinner time, when tradition meets celebration, magic is served on the plate. The grand dinner was nothing short of a royal affair, with a lavish spread that brought together the rich flavors of India, each dish telling its own story. More than a meal, it was a memory shared under the stars, sealed with warmth, laughter, and legacy. Because here, it wasn't just food, it was the flavor of bonds. Every bite is a memory, every smile a connection. Well, before we bid goodbye to this unforgettable celebration, Daddy paused, pen in hand, heartful, carefully penning down his thoughts in the memory register. Moments later, he left a message on the grand impression board, a canvas of emotions where every note was a tribute to legacy, love, and lifetime bonds.
So my daddy writing a note, 200 glorious years, and my dad putting up his message. His message is, I am proud son of 5 Rajput. So this is all from from the celebration of 200 years, glorious years of 5 Rajput.
Well, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world. I promise I'll keep bringing you much more such special moments, heart-touching events, and virtual tour that make you feel a part of every celebration. See you in the next one.